And we're about to do the sneezing prank. Oh, did I get on you?
You sneezed all over me.
Hey, can I get the number?
Sure.
Yeah, you got your phone here.
Well,
Could be like a little M&M that I eat or something.
what the
This blunt, I'm taking a puff. I'm stuck, I feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real, don't know when I stay out of town. I get done when I stay out of town. 500 shots, I got 500.
Where would the like dildos? Alright y'all, so we back with another video. Today we are in Louisville, Kentucky at the Oxmoor Mall. You know what I'm saying? For all the people from Kentucky, they know about this motherfucker. It's a famous mall. And we're about to do the sneezing prank. Let me see that motherfucker. Basically, we're gonna go behind people and like, you feel me, sneeze on them type shit and see what their reaction is. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of crazy. You know what I'm saying? The last video I said y'all did hella good with that video. But y'all did hella good with this video. The Vaseline handshake, y'all ran that bitch up. You know what I'm saying? So thanks for all the support and all the love, you know what I'm saying? That shit's crazy, you know what I'm saying? Let's run this one up, but yeah. We're just gonna be trolling in this mall today. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Back with Jay Fair in this bitch.
Get
you know
it,
what I'm
man.
saying? This is his second appearance. How you feeling?
I'm feeling great, man. I love the support. I love the support for sure.
All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. Oh, did I get on you?
Yeah, you sneezed all over me.
Oh, my.
Gross.
My bad. Did I sneeze on you?
No, you just scared me.
Oh, snap. I thought I sneezed on you. My bad, man.
No, you didn't.
All right, Target Riz. Ma'am, do you work here? I got a question. See, like, I would shoot my shot, but my aim's poorly. But I can be a good target. You get it?
Me like what
That Target Riz.
don't
You know?
get me dirty.
Hey, can I get the number?
Sure.
Yeah, you got your phone here.
Well, here.
So basically, there's this lady screaming and stuff, and I'm about to just tell her to keep it on the low. You feel me? Hey, man.
Yes.
I'm trying to film. Do you think you could like be quiet a little bit? You were screaming.
Excuse me. I'm not. Am I screaming? Excuse me.
You were screaming that loud. I was trying to film. For,
Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm busy.
Are you good? You okay?
No, I'm not. I'm trying to do something right now.
What are you trying to do?
But others will tell you it's called knowing your self-worth.
I'm texting my father and I'm texting my son. Do you want to know anything else? I don't know who you are. I'm Laura. I don't know you.
My name's Ali.
Hi, Ali.
Ma'am, you know where like the costumes are?
No,
You
I don't work here.
You don't? I do need a worker. Hey, where's a worker at? Can you tell them like when to come to the costume aisle? Can you tell one of the workers to come to the costume aisle? Why? Just cause. Before I start breaking some shit in here, nigga. Hey, can I come in the back with you? Without your consent? I can come? Yeah, just a little bit. This is what the back of Party City looks like. Like, what the fuck? Can you go get your manager? Like, it's not funny. The fuck, nigga? What's so funny? So basically, where is the costumes? Basically, bro, like, we tried to film and we just didn't get no reaction. So we're in Party City, just fucking around. I don't know, but I'm about to basically ask the Party City people, like, you know, like, where's the, you know what I'm saying, the sex costumes. Like, what do you call it? Cosplay. Cosplay, dildos, shit like that. What the fuck you mean they won't come back here? So I gotta go talk to them up front? Let's go up front. Savage. That nigga ran.
About.
Costumes?
We don't have any out right now. Well,
Y'all don't? Not even in the back? Y'all
we haven't
have.
got those out yet.
Okay, but like Halloween is coming up. Y'all got like cosplay costumes? Y'all carry stuff like that?
It would be down that second aisle if we did.
Okay. What about where would the like dildos be? What? Like I'm so dead ass. Like
We do not sell it here. You can go to Spooster's though.
Like this is for my OnlyFans right here. We're ready to pop off tonight.
You do you, Boots.
Nah, do you got like the cop and robber outfit though? I'm about to get arrested tonight. What's so funny?
No, but we got some handcuffs.
Bro, can you show me?
Yeah. We got some diamond handcuffs too if you'd like to make it bedazzled.
That's cool, that's cool. Yeah, you know like OnlyFans, like I don't know how much you get paid here, but like I make a 2,000 a video. I'd love for you to come in a video.
Get off that one, but
You could be like a little M&M that I eat or something.
what the
But oh damn, they do got handcuffs.
I'm fucking dead, but there you go.
I'm not gonna lie. The OnlyFans check hasn't hit yet. I can get these for like the low or something.
Do it, please. At this point.
For real? You did not see me here. Gotta change my disguise now. Let's go. Hey yo, what is that? Simon, hey yo, LM, feel me?
I got a bit of cut away. 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 Yeah, I got a bit across the way. When I be hitting it, sound like waves. She so fine till to come my way. I just hit her with a hey, oh hey, Ayon, just hop on the beat. Rest knees up on my feet. Ayon be killing these feet. Ayon gon' talking shit. Yo, bitch wanna pop her shit. Tell her come on, come talk my shit. Who you think you talking to? Yeah, I'm on top of this shit. King of the hill, I ain't flopping this bit. Your bitch was a catfish, I'm dropping that chick. I promise on me, I ain't even here. I got a bit, I'm celibate. They just keep screaming for more. Knock, knock, nigga, who at the door? Promise I don't want your hoe. Me and mines is good. I seen them switch for the dough. Yeah. What's that sitting on your neck? That's not ice, that shit fake. What's that sitting on my neck? That shit wet like a lake. I just been your bitch back over, then I ate her like some steak. 100 blues up in my pockets, boy, I'm crippin' every day. I be skating on these hoes, none of that shit I do be fake. My bitch asshole, I'm real, man, I love it when it shake. I make a 30-minute drive just to see her every day. I'm like, whoa, niggas talking shit, but they won't say it to my face though. Put my shooter on your head, that's a case closed. Your girl keep on talking that shit, bet I leak her photos. Bitch, I'm 4 for 4, 3 for 3, 1 for 1. I don't miss anything, ain't no touch. He gon' hit, I just lit your bitch up, made her drip. She in love with all my swag, she in love with all my fits. Said she wanna hang with AM, hit me in a PM, we can get lit. AM, LM, boy, you know I love your bitch.
My niggas up as fuck, yeah. Hit him, they knew what was up. She didn't tell him she knew what was up. Faded, smoking on Kelly or Mutts. Brody can't buy that nigga a bust. Why is he talking my bucks? Brody got life in the dust. Yeah, can't in my heart, I trust. Why they be hating, I never deny. Young nigga faded, I'm blowing her breasts. I gotta get a boy, got in some mess. Fuck up my liquor, fuck up my life. All you rap nigga, my motherfucking son. You gotta tell you that hoe getting put. Yeah.